Are you stuck with a Jira space key that just doesn't fit your project? Maybe it's a random default, or it doesn't match your team's naming convention. It can make everything feel a little messy, right? Well, the good news is you can fix it in under 2 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how. So here's the plan. I'll walk you through where to find the right settings, and then show you how to edit that space key yourself. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll have it changed in no time. All right, let's start by logging into your Jira account. Go ahead and open it up. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Now, take a look over at the left side panel. That's where all your projects are listed. Find the project you want to update and click on it. This will open up that project's main view. Now that you're inside your project, look up at the top of the page, right next to the project title. You'll see a small set of 3 dots, like an ellipsis. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. This menu has a few different options, but the one you want is near the bottom. Click on Space Settings. And here's where the magic happens. This is the space settings page for your project. You'll see a section that shows your current space key. It might be something like KAN or PROJ, or whatever default was assigned when you created the project. Click directly on that space key to edit it. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind here. The space key has to be unique across your entire Jira instance, so you can't just use something that's already taken. Also, it's usually a short code, like a few uppercase letters and maybe a number, so type in your new key carefully. I'd recommend something that clearly ties back to your team or project name, like marketing or DevOps, or something that makes sense for you. Once you've typed it in, double-check that it looks right. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see a blue Save button. Click on Save. Jira will process the change. This might take just a second. You'll see a confirmation message saying the update was successful. And that's it. You'll now see your new space key in the URL and anywhere else it appears in your project. So there you have it. In just a couple of minutes, you went from being stuck with a space key that didn't fit to confidently editing it to match your project's identity. Everything should feel a lot more organized now. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more Jira tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.